Hey, I'm Mark James. I'm the new anchor agent down here in Coos Bay, Oregon.
Our mission at Premier Property Group is to be an extraordinary service to our agents, to our industry, and to our community, and he's already doing that here in Coos Bay.
Deeply involved with the Salvation Army. Angel Tree every year, sponsored over 50, 60 children, over 1,000 gifts in the last 4 to 5 years. I'm on the executive board with the Chamber, which enables me to have more connections with businesses and those all are just assets to growing your business.
It's really impactful to come to the Oregon coast for Premier Property Group because we have so much to offer here.
Premier Property Group, it's just enabled me to be a better version of what I am and what I want to achieve down here with my team and hope to grow the business even more.
I'm excited to have an office in the Southern Coast in this part of Oregon, but it's not just having the location, it's who you're doing business with, and Mark's a great guy, and it's a pleasure, to be in business with him.
We love it. We're absolutely thrilled. Bandon freaking Dunes. It's where we've always gone to play, and to actually be here to work now is just so fulfilling and so exciting for us.
We're scalable. And when I say that, what I mean is that our tech stack, our resources that we have between PPG Connect, Bold Trail, PPG Toolkit, our education platform that's fully virtual and online, on-demand CEs, we can support all of the agents in this office seamlessly.
The culture, it's the perfect fit for me.
It's clear to me that Mark is the kind of agent that just really embodies our core mission. Just seeing him with his family and his clients and all of the support, it's a hand-in-glove fit.
I mean, there's a good vibe. They have fun, and work can be fun, and that's what we try to promote here. I'm really excited about getting going and starting off this new office with Premier Property Group.